Yakuza Bowling Esports Tournament. I'm Play-by-Play Chase.
That's right, Joe. I'm color commentator Oliver, and we've got a riveting match on our hands today.
Today's contestants are Domo and Mustard, both longtime players and short-time rivals, as of last year's Yakuza Bowling Tournament after Domo took the title.
Mustard won the round of rock, paper, scissors and picked both players' main Majima, which is a huge setback for Domo.
Kiryu has been so bad this season. We've only seen losses from this character. Can Domo pull through?
Okay. I have high hopes for Domo. We can see him utilize his signature go for the left pins move. He's been playing so well this tournament. Look at that 7-8. Domo needs to get an early spell in order to make his go for the left pins move work. Otherwise, Mustard will get a lead, and there's no chance that Domo will make a play.
Oh my goodness! How did you do that? This is insane!
Next up is Mustard playing Majima with high advantage.
Yeah, Majima should be banned.
He's going up for a shot now. He got it pretty good. Spin 2 to the left.
Yeah, this guy kind of sucks. 2 spins to the left won't do anything.
Oh, good clean strike from Mustard. He's really showing his Yakuza bowling prowess.
Not as much prowess as you would think, Joe. You know, Majima's a very RNG-based character, so a lot of leniency there.
Mustard's been getting a lot of strikes this season.
Up next is Domo with his Kiryu, lining up a very nice shot. Good power, avoiding the go for the left pin strategy, but we'll see how this plays out. Oh, this could be...
The pins do not fall in his favor.
Not good. We'll see if he can line up this next shot and get this spare. He's already starting to fall behind. Domo is known for his pinpoint accuracy with these balls. He's just insane with it.
Okay, he's coming up, and that's a good straight shot. And no spin, no, one spin. It's one spin. And it's hitting it right on.
Oh my goodness!
Now this is Yakuza bowling.
How will Mustard respond? There's just no way. That was such an intense play from Domo. I don't think there's any catching up to him now.
Mustard's lining up his shot. Looks like he's going for the right. And oh, that's straight on. He's putting one spin to the left. And that's another strike. 2 in a row. Mustard's just been pulling those strikes right out of his pocket.
Mustard's pretty close to a turkey here, but anyways, back to Domo. Lining up a good shot, nice power, going for the left pins again. He's good with the strategy, we all know that.
Yosh!
Mustard, that's M-Y-U-S-T-E-R-D, is up again. Can he get this turkey? We'll see. Going all the way to the left, swing to the right with some spin to the left. Let's see if this works out for him. And he biffs it. Oh, Mustard biffs it. Not the first time.
Hey dude, I found a cat.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
What?